Homework: review of units 7 and 8. Question 1. Complete the sentences about technology in the past and the present. Use can or can't, or could or couldn't accordingly. 1. In the past, people couldn't send messages instantly without the internet. 2. In the past, inventors could test their ideas many times with simple tools. 3. Today we can't imagine our life without smartphones and the internet. 4. Today students can study online and use learning apps. 5. In the past, people couldn't watch videos on mobile phones. 6. Today, engineers can't create new inventions without using computers. And the last one, in the past, people couldn't store thousands of photos on one small device. Question 2. Each sentence has one green word used wrongly. When we say a green word, it means a word related to climate or ecology. You need to correct the sentences. Also add either when or while in each sentence. 1. We were cleaning river while plastic waste was floating in it. 2. Animals lost their habitat when people cut down all the trees in a forest. 3. The Arctic was melting while the temperature continued to rise quickly. 4. Volunteers were planting trees when the storm arrived. 5. The ocean got polluted when the ships leaked a lot of oil. 6. Children were learning about climate change when the earthquake started. 7. We were saving water when the village had a water shortage. And the last one, people were recycling plastic while the cleanup event was lasting for 2 hours. Question 3. Read Annabelle's paragraph about her impressions from the competition. Correct the mistakes in the usage of pronouns, connectors, and punctuation. Let's read the text with the correct words. I'm Annabelle, a 13-year-old student from Minnesota, and I want to share my impressions from a science competition. It was my first big competition, so I was very nervous but excited. My project was about clean energy, and I worked on it with my friend Catherine, but we didn't have much time. The idea was hers, but I added some parts of my research to the project. The judges asked many questions, so I answered with my notes, because I had a feeling that I forgot everything. Our team prepared posters and models, and ours was placed on the big white table. I felt tired and happy at the same time, because the competition was long but interesting. After the presentations, we talked with other teams and shared our ideas and experiences with them.